Hey guys.
Hey.
Christie's on the phone right now because I'm babysitting, so we're going to see what happens when you put a frozen strawberry in the microwave. Ready for this, Christie?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, Christie, so you take a frozen strawberry, you get a plate, like so, like that one, right there. You put frozen strawberry on a plate. Open up the microwave, like so. You push the 300 button. Christie, here it goes.
Okay. We're gonna laugh at it like it explodes and like your house blows up.
My house will not blow up.
How do you know?
Because I don't.
It's still like a home.
Shut up. Don't jinx my house. It's melting.
Did you put it on a plate or anything?
Yeah.
Melting?
Yeah. Ew, now my house smells like strawberries. Oh, it's buzzing. It's pretty intense stuff.
Yeah.
It's boiling. That's the coolest thing in the world. One Christie.
I forgot to make the meatballs.
You what?
I'm sorry, it's probably my sister.
This is going on YouTube. I forgot to stir the meatballs.
What?
Nothing.
This is weird. I can have a good sauce for you yet. I mean, really sauce.
It's not doing anything anymore. It's just turning brown.
Ew.
Now my house smells like toaster strudels that are smelling like strawberries.
What?
Nothing. Okay, it's been in there for 2 minutes and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That is what the strawberry looks like, guys. Wow.
What the crap?
That's a strawberry, Cody. That's Cody, my little brother. That's Christie on the phone. Say goodbye to YouTube, Christie.
Bye.
Bye.